Welcome everyone, this is SpookTube and this is Top 5 Spooky Sounds Caught on Camera, Part 1. Number 5, we have a video submitted by Reddit users Payish321. They claim they hear people arguing frequently in the house at night, and this video supposedly proves just that. Others have stated that this is a compression noise from a poor audio quality. However, other people claim that they hear the individual supposedly arguing in the video. I'll let you all decide. Coming in at number 4, we have a video submitted by Reddit user Cumberland Beggar. This video showcases a guy very oddly yelling at a sleeping dog, maybe to wake them up or maybe to play a prank of some sorts on their sleeping dog. Regardless, they claimed that there was no one else in the house at the time and they didn't hear anything at the time of this video. However, you can clearly hear a little girl in the background talking. At one point, she even says to speak as if talking to the dog.
Lucy! Lucy! Come here! Lucy! Lucy! Come here!
Coming in at number 3, we have a video submitted by Reddit user Brass Ninja, and it showcases a supposedly haunted house turned into a real estate company. The individual noticed a light on in the basement and went to check it out. They then caught what sounds like footsteps above them, even though they claim the house is supposedly empty. On top of that, the lights actually start to flicker without them touching anything either.
Okay, it straight up sounds like there's somebody upstairs, and there's nobody here. What the fuck? Okay, it straight up sounds like there's somebody upstairs, and there's nobody here.
Coming in at number 2, we have a video posted by, I'll just let you go ahead and read it on the screen right here as I won't be pronouncing this name. This video sounds like either metal rubbing together, an alarm going off, or something else echoing throughout a sewer. As the individual brings the camera closer to the manhole, you can actually hear the eerie sound get louder and louder. What do you think this noise is, and what could be causing it? Leave what you think in the comments below. With number 1, you have the spookiest of all the videos, Shocker, by being number 1 on the list and all. This video was submitted by Reddit user Styx Zadenia. Here's a little bit of information they mentioned. The fox population has been wiped from the area due to an untreated spread of rabies in that area. It has killed off most wildlife and the foxes were the first to go. With that in mind, this video showcases what sounds like children screaming bloody murder in the forest. As he walks closer, the screams get louder. What could this be if the story of rabies clearing out the entire fox species in the area is true? Watch the video and tell me what you think below. As always, thank you all so much for watching the video. If you like it, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. It helps the Google algorithm as well as helps me out. Also, feel free to join my new Guilded server. I'll be switching over everything to the Guilded as it pretty much is a all-in-one program that you can also make public as a website. So it's really cool. They have forums, calendars, and a ton of other stuff. Plus, they have a dark mode only, so it adds to the spookiness of everything. So take care, everyone, and I'll see you in 2 weeks.